This video won't be possible without LSC Auto.
Car that inspired Mahindra Thar and comes straight in mind when you think of off-road car, the Jeep Wrangler. Up front it has the iconic 7-slot grills and the simple round headlamps immediately grab attention.
You get an upright windshield. On the side, the big wheel arches look spectacular with the 17-inch aluminium alloy wheels. You get defogger and side mirrors. What gives it a Jeep feel is the exposed fuel filling cap, the door hinges and the door stopper strap. In the rear, these rectangular tail lights look great. You get an all-black interior and the front seats are upholstered in leather and are also heated. It has a 3-spoke leather-bound steering which has audio controls in it and also cruise control. There is ample of storage beneath the center armrest and it has a USB port and a 12-volt socket for additional convenience. You get 2 cup holders here. The Wrangler only has automatic transmission. There is a 4x4 manual shift lever and you get some space behind that to store your belongings. It has an automatic climate control and those traditional round AC vents with metallic finish look stunning. There is a 6.5-inch Uconnect 735N touchscreen infotainment system which has Bluetooth, USB, aux and even CD connectivity. You also get navigation. You get a front handlebar which gives it a Jeep feel, and just beneath that you get some storage in the glove box. On both front doors you get center lock and some storage beneath it. The Alpine premium sound system is breathtaking and it has an all-weather subwoofer in the boot. Here you get some terrain controls. The rear seats are not wide so they are not that comfortable and you get 3 headrests. The window controls are in the center and just beneath that you get 2 cup holders. The petrol variant has a 3.6 litre Pentastar V6 engine which creates 280 bhp of power at 6350 rpm and creates 347 Nm of torque at 4300 rpm. As you've seen that Jeep Wrangler has immense power, you can always take its help for pulling its fellow cars as there is a towing hook at the back. The Jeep Wrangler has a split tailgate system which improves the boot space. Oops, we got some unwanted guests here. And it has a 495 litre boot. In case of safety, you get ABS, 2 airbags, hill hold control and hill descent control.